Older versions of your document might have information you need to work with. Or you might want to keep a separate, earlier version of your document to more easily compare it to the current one. So, in Docs, you can make a copy of a version of your document. We'll enter some text into this document so we can show you how to make a copy of a version. First, click the File menu. Next, point to Version History, and from the menu that opens, select See Version History. Next to the version that you want to copy, click More Actions. Finally, click Make a Copy. You can change the name of the copy and choose the folder where you want to store it. To share the copy with the same collaborators on the original version, check the Share it with the same people box. When you're done, click OK. We'll cancel this for now. At the top, click the back arrow to continue editing your document.